हैं आप?
ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
ओके, मैं भी बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. So it's last time we missed this one. So today we are starting this number properties problem solving. So let's
Okay.
see. Number properties problem solving. So once again, it's quantitative reasoning over here. It's a very simple problem, but definitely it will tell you the method to tackle the numbers when the numbers are given and some conditions are associated with those numbers, so you can find out the
Yeah.
solution. Now let's see the problem first. Please read this one.
Okay. A two-digit positive integer AB is written as BA, where A and B take values from 1 to 9 inclusive. The difference between AB and BA is 36. Which of the following could be the value of AB?
Okay, it's what we can say, the two positive integers. A
Right.
digit positive integer AB is written as BA. AB and BA commutative property, where A and
Right.
B takes values from 1 to 9. It's a single digit number. So no double figure, 1 to 9, inclusive. That 1 and 9 are inclusive. The
Right.
difference between AB and BA is 36. So once again, it's a very important information to note. Which of the following could be the value of AB? So just see if you can do a little work and make a guess that what should be the option out of these fives. That we have only one solution, or second is the solution, one and third can be, or second and third,
Okay.
three. Let's see. It's just a
Yeah, let me-
idea.
So two-digit positive integer AB is written as BA, where okay. Okay, so it has to be 36. No, 62 minus this is 5, 36, and 84, 48, and 7. Okay, so it's 2 and 3 only, so it's D.
2 and 3. So D is the option. Now let's see.
Right.
We are just proceeding a proper way. It's a good choice. Now let's see. You are almost near to the solution. That may be the exact solution. Anyhow, let's see. Method. There are two methods. So we are just talking about the method one, the best method. Back substitution answer choices. So it's what we can say that here we will use some basic properties of the integers. Now let's see. The difference between AB and BA is 36. So it's a very important information. Now we have three choices, 71, 62 and 84. So if we are just considering that 71 is our answer. So the choice one is 71. If AB, what we can say, the product is 71, then BA is, if we are just reversing the order of the digits, we will get 17. So if AB is 71, then BA is 17. So AB minus B, the product, that was also given in the condition, that the difference of their products, AB minus B, is 71 minus 17, that is 54. Now look at this. So we are just getting these two numbers by using the commutative, and then we are just making the difference. So it's a 54. So that should not be
Right.
the choice, because
Yeah.
it is not fulfilling that condition. That there we have the given condition. You will have to make use of that. That this is not according to the given condition. So the AB minus BA, this difference is coming 54. So this is not our choice. So 71 is not included over here. Now let's see if we are just opting for the second choice, that is 62. Now let's see with the same given information that AB is 62 and BA, if we are reversing the order of the digits, so we'll get 26. So in this way,
Right.
once again, we will have to make use of that characteristics also. That given condition is that we are just going for the difference of their products. This is the difference, AB and minus BA. So we are just putting over here, we are getting 36. So the difference between AB and B is 36. Look at this. So that's why we have written this on the top of our story, that if we are just calculating the things over here and there, so we must check it. So 54 was not matching, but 36 is matching. So it's a right choice. But one more, we must try it. Let's see
Yeah.
whether this is a question answer or not. Okay, for the third one,
Okay.
this choice is third 84. So once again the same given conditions, that if we are reversing the order, we are getting 48. If we are putting in the order, that is 84. So let's see. Once again the difference is 36. So it's a what we can say, there are so many choices. So these two are the right choices for the right answer. I mean to say, we are just making use of this given information that AB, the difference between AB and B is 36. I'm sure that you have done on your paper all these things. So your choice was B
Yeah.
anyhow. So option second and three. So that's why the correct answer choice is
Yeah.
D. So what we can say, so this is
Yeah.
the simple problem, and what you have sent to us, those were also few problems are simple, and there was some confusion with the answer. So we'll talk about that, but those were just like this, instantly you can just get the answer. So here we are just going for the long method for the complete procedure, that we must not have any doubt about the our choices of the answer. But it's a good choice. Now let's see the second method. There is a theory behind the question. So whenever we are solving the question, so definitely there is a mathematics involved over there. We are making the formula,
Yeah.
some properties we are utilizing over there, some laws are there. So we must go through the detail, because it's just instant clicking. You can have to fill all those, the what we can say, the whole mark, that we will have to blacken those. But before that, how you are getting this is the real story, and this is the what we can say, the deep knowledge of the subject. And if you know all those things, so your choice will be absolutely right, and you will be damn sure that you have selected the right answer. Okay, let's see. Once again, the problem is just coming, that the difference between AB and B is 36. This is the most important information. We have the three choices over here. So a theoretical approach to solving the question, that what is the theory behind that? That is that any two-digit number, say 43, can be written as 4 multiplied by 10 and plus 3 multiplied by 1. So this is what that the two-digit number is there. So that was the first sentence of our problem, that we will have to restrict ourselves only to two digits.
Right.
So two digit number is, that is compromise, that is consist of the unit number, that is always multiplied with 1. The second one is the 10th digit, that is always multiplied with 10. So if
Yeah.
we are supposing any digit, so that is the first one that on the extreme right of that. So this must be the unit position there, that 1 multiplied by this number. Plus we will have to add the second one. Second place is for the 10th digit. So this is the 10, and we are multiplying with this 10. So we are getting 10 into 4, that is 40, plus 3 is 43. So AB can be written as A multiplied by 10 plus B multiplied by 1. So 10A plus B. A is
Okay.
the tens digit and B is the units digit over here. So once again, there was a condition that if you are just reversing the order of it, so what will happen to there? And BA, if we are just reversing the order, can be written as
Yeah.
B. Now B is the second one, so it must be multiplied with 10, and A will become on the unit place. So A multiplied 1. So in this way, we have this 10B plus A. So B is the 10 digits and A is the unit digit. So what we have now, we have the two type of the things over here, that
Right.
10A plus B and 10B plus A. Now let's see. The most important thing is that is the key to the solution, that the difference between AB and BA is 36. Now if you are just going to utilize this thing, that AB
Right.
minus BA, and we are actually subtracting these two supposed digits, that 10A plus B
Right.
minus 10B minus A. So we'll get 9 over here. 9 as a common, because here we'll get 10, 9A plus 9B. So 9 can be taken as a common digit. So 9 and A minus B will come to over here. So question states that AB minus BA is 36, and we have this one, that 9A minus B. Now let's see. So 9A minus B is equal to 36. That is that A minus B must be 4, just to satisfy this condition. So now we have A, 9A minus B. So this is all about that this is equal to the first expression, and we are just simplifying this. So finally we have AB minus BA, that is equal to 9A minus B. Are you getting this?
Yeah.
Because this is equal to this, and all these are the simplifications. So after that, finally we'll reach over here, that 9A minus B, that must be equal to this one, and this is given, the value of this expression AB minus B is 36 over here. So what we are doing, that 9A minus B must be equal to 36. So in this way, if we are just dividing with 9 both sides, we will get 4. A minus B is equal to 4. So this is the difference of two numbers. That is the difference between the tens and the unit place of the number is 4. Check which choices match above criteria. What I mean to say, that 4, that whatsoever the digits you are selecting, there must be the difference 4 between the tens and the units digit. What I mean to say, that wherever you are looking for that, so there must be the difference 4. If you are just checking this 71, you are not getting that, but these are two absolutely right answers, because 6 minus 2 is 4 and 8 minus 4 is also 4. Let's see. If you are selecting the one choice, so the difference of these two digits, the tens and the ones, you are not getting 4. So this may not be the part of solution. So
Right.
if you are going for the second choice, so one way or the other, we will get this very easily. but we can say that this is the difference, that is 4, because we have calculated from all these arguments. So this is the right answer. The third one is also the right one. The reason is this, that this is just like that. The difference of the two individual digits is 4. That is the tens
Okay.
and the unit digits. So 4. So every time we are getting this. So this is also the correct answer. So this method
Yeah.
is actually what when we are talking about the numbers. So their place values, their position, if they are the 2 digits or 3 digits and so on. So we'll have to bring the real mathematics behind that. There are so many ways to get the right answer, but definitely those are instantly thinking that maybe you can call these are the tricks and trick to get the right answer. But anyhow, what in this method is that what we are explaining over here, that if we know the real logic behind those tricks, then those are useful, because the tricks are according to some set principles, some mathematical formulas in the format. So from here, what we have done over here, that these are the written numbers, and we can just go to the basic mathematics of their place values, and then we are making use of the given information. So we are just equating that, and we are getting the difference between the two digits, and we are just putting those in the given answers. So we can conclude that the second and the third is the once again the best possible right answer. So this was the method number 2. So we can get the answer just within the seconds, but how many details that is going over here in these few slides. The idea behind that was that whenever you are making your choice, so you must have the complete logic. You must know that if you are going for that, and this time you have done exactly the same thing. So it's called the mathematical mind. So whatsoever the choices are given, first you will have to check your mathematics, your methods, formulas, and whatsoever the information is given. After taking some time, what I mean to say, if you are just thinking about the time and you are just very quick to do some mental calculation, or you can do the paperwork also, so you can get the right answer. Instead of this, that you are making the guesswork, you are thinking this, and then only just the verbal thinking is involved over there, and you are just making the guess, so it will not work out all the time. So it's a best way to make some mental calculation. And this time, what you are doing, so I'm sure that you were doing some paperwork and you are getting the answer absolutely right. So this is the way.
Okay.
And a lot of the questions that you have sent, those were almost 20 questions. So some are very simple, some are confusing in the sense that you will have to go to especially the geometrical parts. That sometime the question is given, that was the equation of parabola, and that was the parabola,
Yeah.
and the what I mean to say, the vertex is given, so you must have to recall the general form of the parabola, and that must be in a proper normal way, and you when you will put the answer. But there was a slight difference between our answers, what I have calculated that, and what you have sent to us. But anyhow, we will talk about in detail. So what we
Yeah.
can say, that these type of the problems are so many. What I mean to say, that one thing is that you can see that this problem may not come in the question. You haven't seen in this problem exactly this one in your books or whatsoever. But these what I used to say, that we are not just solving those problems which are just like the same. We are just knowing the
Okay.
methods. So this problem may come in another way, because
Right.
there are so many ways to put the problem in other ways. They can change the digits, they can change the sense, they can make the sum and difference and this and that. But if you have the logic behind that, so you can solve those, because nobody can share whatsoever. Even you have 20 problems you have just taken from there from any book, So I'm not sure that those will come again in any test, because they are just the sample problem. And whatsoever they are writing the books, they are not claiming that these are the problems. Just solve them and you will get the right score. They are just sampling them, that these are the samples, these are the problems which can be over there, but just like these, definitely those will come. So whenever I am solving the question, I am sending to you, or whatsoever you are doing. So we are just keen to learn the techniques, the tricks, and some tips to solve the question. We are not going to solve, because it's a not prescribed. What I mean to say, the book, and you will have to solve this one just like your school book or whatsoever you are doing over there for the mathematics. This is just a general type of the test, and you must know they are just actually testing, analyzing your mathematical skill. So that's why if you have that one, so you can solve more than 101 problems. So let's see
Yeah.
points to remember. From here, I am just concluding this one. So what we'll have to do, that if this type of the problem, I'm not talking about this particular problem. I'm just talking in general, that when you are asked to manipulate some digits with the given conditions, so how you will have to make use of the basic algebraic, the properties of the numbers, their orders, their place values, their differences, their manipulation, their change of order. There are so many things. So you will have to keep this thing in mind. So about this problem, just like this, difference between AB and BA, sum of AB and BA. So what I mean to say, the same things are given in some other way, that this time if the difference is given, the next time the okay. So it's a little bit, what we can say, interruption over there in the connection. So can you hear me?
Yeah, it's
Okay, we are actually
yeah, I can hear you.
reconnecting. So this time where we were, so let's see. Okay, so once again we are starting from here, that this was actually what we were talking about, that. So there was a loss of connection, so there was a little bit interruption over there. But anyhow, for any 2D, what I was saying, that this time the
Yeah.
difference is given, so the next time sum of AB and BA is given, or multiple or product. Okay, please. Okay, please rejoin. Hello.
Hello, can you hear me?
Okay. Welcome back. Okay, it's. I'm sure that this time we will go smoothly. So, what we're talking about, that for any two-digit number, can you see in the screen? Hello.
Yes. Yes, I can. I can.
Okay. For any two-digit number AB, the difference between AB and BA is AB minus BA is always 9A minus B over there. Last time we were talking about that. Similarly, for any digit number AB, the sum of the AB and BA is AB plus BA is always 11A plus B. Now look at this condition. So when the difference of the number just replacing or reverting their place values or changing the positions, we will always get this 9 of the difference of two individual digits. And if there is a sum, so we will have to take 11. Are you getting this one?
Yeah.
What I mean to say, that when the two-digit number is given and condition is that the difference of their replaced value, their interchange value is always 9, and the sum, if their positions are changed, the two digits, two numbers. So when they are changing the position, so they will become the two number, and their sum is 11. A plus B. 9 A minus B, 9 times their difference and 11 times their sum. This is what we can say universal. Whatsoever the number you can think about, that will be the same. That 9 times of A minus B and 11 times of A plus B. So
Right.
this is what we can say the point we will have to remember, in the sense that next time they can call it that the numbers they are changing their positions, and their sum is, now their sum is this one. So the sum is that A 11 into A plus B. So if we can just get this one, so definitely we can use everywhere, no need to make any calculation. The difference of the two digits, different of the two digits which are comprising the single double digit number, then difference is 9 time of their individual differences, and sum is 11 time of their sums. So this was all about that. So this is online courses. So one thing is that this time please read this one.
Okay. Given that 80% of a mixture of atoms consist of atoms each weighing 35 units, and that the remaining of the 20% of the atoms in the mixture each weighs 37 units, find the average weight of an atom of the mixture.
Okay, so answer is also given 35.4. So this is the assignment. Solve it in your own time. There are so many ways to solve this one, and you can make
Right.
use of the percentages, or you can make use of any method to solve this. So I am hopefully that you will solve this. Not only this, you will find out the same question, the same type of the question over there in your books or whatsoever you are exploring over there. So you can solve those, and we'll come with the some new problems. So this is just what I mean to say, that if you can solve this, I am sure it's not a very difficult one, but if in your own time, mean that you are not supposed to give the answer instantly. You are not supposed to give the check your answer, match your answer with this one. But
Right.
what we are looking for, that you must take your time, you must write some steps, you must go in detail to solve this one, because this is a practice problem. If you can solve the percentages, and if you can make sense of the conditions which are given in this question, so you will come to know that whenever a new problem just like this, that there are some percentages are involved over there, and you are asked to solve the question,
Right.
so you will recall this method. What I mean to say, if you can recall all those steps, you are not supposed to do again, but you will be very much sure about your choice, that this is just like that problem that you have solved at your own, and you have done this, and after doing all these steps you were just getting the right answer. So 35.4 is the right answer. You can round off also this may be a slightly different from your calculation, but there is no harm. But anyhow, that if you are spending some minutes to that solution to get the matching answer, so those minutes will definitely benefit you when you will have to talk about the when there is a matter of seconds to click the answer.
Yeah.
So that's why uh, I am not asking this that solve this one. Anyhow, it's I think end of that. So for tomorrow we should say Allah Hafiz. Okay,
Okay.
thank you very much.
Office.